A3 Canson papers with different thicknesses. 120 for basic drawings, plans, sections, elevations. 180 for sketches and colored drawings, watercolors or markers. Tracing paper, transparent paper, to edit on your drawing, without spoiling the main drawing. Clipboard, to install and use the papers easily. Sketch pencil kit. Markers, to make sketches more professional and realistic. Compass. Cutter, bigger cutter for significant elements, masses. Small cutter for windows or any little details. T-square, the most essential tool for drawing to make straight lines and accurate architectural drawings. Drawing board, substitute of T-square, did the same properties. Disadvantage, limited workspace and it's only for A3 papers. Triangle ruler, to make 30, 45, 60, 90 degree on the drawing. Put it vertically to T-square. Circles ruler. Furniture ruler. Brush, for cleaning the paper from the pencil, charcoal or eraser residue. Cutting board.